Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I present to you some cottage style kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. There are many ways to decorate your kitchen in cottage style, depending on your personal taste and budget. Here are some general tips and ideas to inspire you. Choose natural and warm materials such as wood, stone, enamelware, and checker. This can add texture and coziness to your kitchen. You can use them for flooring, countertops, cabinets, shelves, furniture, and accessories. Opt for open shelving and pallet jacks to display your dishware and collectibles. You can also remove the doors from some of your cabinets to create a more airy and casual look. If you want to hide some items, you can use curtains or shutters instead of doors. Incorporate vintage style hardware such as bean style drawer pulls, glass knobs, or latch style handles. These can add charm and character to your cabinets and drawers. You can also use brass or gold fixtures for a touch of elegance. Add color and pattern with fabrics such as curtains, rugs, pillows, and throws. You can choose soft pastels, bright florals, or classic plates, depending on your preference. You can also mix and match different fabrics for more eclectic and whimsical style. Use furniture style details such as feet, crown molding, or bedded board to make your cabinets and Iceland look more like furniture. You can also use a freestanding hut or dresser as a focal point or extra storage space. Paint your cabinets, walls, or Iceland in a color that suits your personality and mood. You can go for a crisp white, a shooting blue, a cheerful yellow, or a bold green. You can also use different shades of the same color for more harmonious and subtle effect. Decorating your kitchen in a cottage style can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some extra tips and ideas to help you create a cozy and charming space. Choose natural and warm materials such as wood, stone, enamelware, and checker. This can add textures and coziness to your kitchen. You can use them for flooring, countertops, cabinets, shelves, furniture, and accessories. Opt for open shelving and plate jacks to display your dishware and collectibles. Add some rustic charm with a wood burning stove, a stone fireplace, or a metal pot jack. This can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your kitchen. You can also use candles, lanterns, and fairy lights to add some warmth and coziness at night. Incorporate some vintage or antique items such as a grandfather clock, a milk can, or a tin can opener. This can add some personality and history to your kitchen. You can also use sign, labels, or chalkboards to display your favorite recipes, codes, or messages. Use natural materials and textures such as bamboo, rattan, jute, or sisal. This can add some organic and earthy elements to your kitchen. You can use them for baskets, trays, mats, rugs, or wall art. I hope these ideas helps you create your dream cottage kitchen. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.